And this is from Chanel. It's Chance by Chanel. It is the Chance by Chanel Christmas gift set. And let's see what we've got in the unboxing. Oh, wait. Yes. How cute. How cute. And I got this one from Macy's. I think it has some star points to use. And so and hair perfume, guys. Hair perfume. And that is something, y'all, that I have much need for and never have purchased to use. Be honest, I didn't even know it existed. I just sprayed perfume in my hair, which is probably the reason my hair is in such a bad condition. But anyhow, this is my purchase. I think this set runs about $150. It is not on sale, or I don't know if you can even use coupons on this or whatever. I don't remember exactly. I'll list that information about how I purchased that below, or if there's any coupon I can find, I will let you know. But I'm going to just take a whiff here. Oh my goodness, guys, this is just divine. Oh, just divine. Divine. Oh, it is just divine. Just divine. And luxury perfumes are really a good way to yes, yes. But that's a good way to give yourself a little piece of luxury when you need a little pick-me-up. With an adorable little gift bag. And I have to say, so far, Dior has everybody beat on the gift bags. The red and the gold ones they came out with this year from Chanel, to me, just looked so cheap and so hideous. I don't even know why. Why is that on there? But anyhow, it didn't even touch anything. Maybe it's from the box. Okay. So, but yeah, that's cute. That's definitely cute. Would I wear this by itself? No. I'm going to be honest with you. Would I wear it in a bag? Definitely. As a matter of fact, it'll probably go in my summer beach bag. I think that is a really good idea, particularly with the hair perfume. And with a little perfume, I think these will be great to take. Now is a good time to go to Atlantis. And this is lined with plastic. Which is fantastic, because that means you can actually use it. Hermes don't line their canvas. Thank you. But anyway, yeah, Chanel's not giving you too much, but fragrance with this set. The bag is really cute. Let me say, I'm not saying it's not cute. I love the pink. I love everything about it. But it is what it is. You're not going to turn that into a handbag, guys. Really, you're not. But as a cute little makeup pouch, it's definitely won the day. And the perfume and hair divine. Absolutely divine. Happy with the set. Wherever you are in the world today, if you're in Alabama, it's a warm, beautiful day. Hope you enjoy the day at the lake or by the pool. And wherever else you are in the world today, I hope that peace and love will find you, and that you hope that you have everything that you ever dreamed of. Y'all have a blessed day.